Hi, this is Alex from Internet Real Secrets. Here's another review of one of this funnel builder product to be launched today. Right, it's called Bridge Funnel. Right, so Bridge Funnel is a product for Joshua Shaw, one of the young and ambitious internet marketer who have launched many products in this Plus marketplace, right? So when you click the link below this video, you come to my review page and look like this, right? We say this Bridge Funnels is a funnel builder. You can have a free built-in traffic, leverage of 40 read hot source from and the buyer. There's no experience needed because we do everything for you and zero extra expenses. Take the shortcut to instant result, right? Make money or will refund to you. So basically, that is what is on the platform. This Josia, right? So this funnel basically is uh, a line for you funnel with a lot of template. There are five niche of this funnel template that come together in this health and fitness make money business opportunity, relationship, personal development, and survival. So these are the five main niches. Then actually they have all these done from you template is already done from you. You can actually pick the template and start promoting any of the affiliate product in this five niches. Right? So that's basically the idea here, right? So you click the link below this video, you come to my review page, and this again, so when you click any of the link or button inside this review page, link to this Bridge Funnel. Okay, so press one button to clone my 1.2 billion super funnel in 60 seconds, right? Okay, so this is basically what you do, and this is on the $17 with this full functional funnel. Okay, there's some also earning proof have been put together here in this review page, and to take a look into this reviews of the sales page, right? Okay, so this is a 1.2 million have been earned using this method. Okay, that is kind of fantastic proof also, and there's a twist step here only. Get base funnels, clone it, and activate. Basically, they clone the funnel they have been using to make the 1.2 million of revenue using all this funnel. Then actually they put it together into one software, and for you to type into that and start using the same funnel to make the amount of benefit, right? Okay, right. So it's basically the idea behind a lot of earning proof here in this sales page. Take a look into here and come back to my base funnel here, right? So okay, so as I said, this is $17 for a front end, right? Okay, so Joshua Shaw is a creator of the software, and this is basically the benefit that come together with this bridge funnel. Okay, so there are three steps involved here. Only I shall show to you step one. Get the bridge funnel, clone it, and activate it. Okay, some earning proof also here, and I put together some demo video inside here also, right? Right. So at OTO, this is fun at $17. Is funnel builder on this $17, right? And then OTO one deluxe version. And this is the deluxe version. Member will be able to unlock over 50 more template for the preloaded landing page, right? And also for the animated funnel, member will be able to create as many funnel as they like and host them all because this animated. And then for you funnel and product, also getting none for you funnel with the pre-selected top offer on clickbait. That come with the pre-selected top offer in clickbait in financial and high ticket maximizer. This is customer with how to and get high ticket commission. Okay, this is how to make high ticket sell high ticket product to make high ticket commission. Unlimited traffic booster. This is a traffic booster. Franchise license and passive income master class is some of the master income master class that put together multiple stream income of the master class. Also franchise license, this is one upgrade. License to sell income, this is more like a reseller license, right? Okay, right, that's basically what you do. It's 100% this free with this product, right? Okay, pretty cool. So here is some of the bridge funders exclusive bonus I put together, and feel free to serve for now. I think no other marketer is able to give this kind of bonuses bundled to you. Okay, so if you buy the front end and any on the OTO here, you're entitled for my special bonus one, special bonus two is learn from your money list. You can actually log into auto responder and start promoting the list with the make money online offer. Second, special bonus is on product access to 6,000 PLR ebook and video. Right? It's also you buy a front end any on OTO above, you are entitled to get all these two. Right? Again, there's actually put together one of the bonuses exclusive tutorial how to make money with this bridge funnel. Right? Also, we have the 15 free traffic method. Right? And top 6 pay underground traffic sources. You can actually use it together with Bridge Funnel. Bridge Funnel has some built-in traffic, but that may not be so efficient. But we might bonus out the traffic. Definitely, it's going to take all your earnings to the next level by using this money page build using the Fed funnel. You use it together with this traffic method. Definitely, it's going to get you better, much better result. And we have this more traffic over here, TikTok traffic app, and also Instagram traffic app. Also, this Twitter traffic app also come together here. All these traffic app ultimately is to get you more traffic, more lead, and more sales. And we have the social marketing tools. You can use it to actually easily auto post, schedule Instagram post, and this is very high quality bonuses video library giveaway. I have actually 250 video. You can use it to promote your blog and site, give away for engagement, and audio result with the reseller like some more. And if you are creating video, you want to do some audio track, and this is a software you can use to actually create your own audio track and integrate into your own video. Okay? Exclusive this building training with 100 free solo ad, and this you're going to get 100 free solo ad click using this also bonuses and YouTube Hack 202 on YouTube channel. SEO is ultimately some trick method I've been using to rank my YouTube video and channel, and you can actually get the same trick and method to rank your own YouTube channel and also your YouTube video. Okay, high ticket system learn the trick how to actually make high ticket commission by selling high ticket product, and this is again super affiliate software funnel. 3 best affiliate software, and with this super affiliate with the reseller, like actually resell this 3 super affiliate software. And also we have 50 SEO tool on the cloud. Use it SEO tool, you can actually use this to maximize optimize your SEO of your website or your blog. Also 15 product launch attack, you can actually use it to learn how to get the best of your launch, and also email search to boost your email conversion. 250k funnel kit, I'm giving you another funnel kit on top of bridge funnel. Okay, all this is very high quality funnel. I have this 250k funnel which is proven to have made 250k using this funnel kit, and you can copy and paste this same funnel, and potentially you're going to get the same or more than this earnings using this funnel kit. Okay, use it together with a bridge funnel. It's going to get a much better result, right? Okay, VidSpark video creation app, and also Reseller traffic cloud app, also affiliate store builder, and also at the free training how to make money online without you selling anything. 100 giveaway, and use this 100 giveaway to build your list using this giveaway, right? Okay, so you can also have this video, ebook, software template, and also vendor bonus. I think in this page funnel, they're also giving you a couple of the bonuses here. Right? Okay, feel free to have a look into this page funnel, and the bonuses that actually they are giving to you as part of this all the bonuses here, the vendor bonus. So you can actually get it together with my bonuses also. And also I have 10 more exclusive bonuses for you. Tech fast session today, and bonus 1, 2, 3. All the detail is here. It is a YouTube view case study and how to find and close high paying client, while the traffic secret exposure, dominate YouTube without showing your face, and also deep case study, and also personal branding, looping, storytelling, marketing, Pinterest profit, and this is a buyer trigger, and Facebook app secret. Also everything you are getting all this for $17 only, right? But if you would like my special bonus 1 and 2, just buy any of the OTO together with the front end, you are entitled for the first the special bonus 1 and special bonus 2, right? So that is about all my bonuses bundle. I think this have cost me close to 10,000 to prepare these bonuses to you, right? Take fast action today. Click the link below this video and come to this review page. Just click any of this orange button and you make a purchase or the page funnel together with all my bonuses here, right? So before I end today's presentation, let me quickly show to you page funnel here. Okay, so this guy behind this product is called Joshua Sean, right? Okay, really nice young guy and educated guy also. Okay, so you can see here on the page funnel there's a tutorial, right? Okay, first thing you need to do is to watch every of the single video here to understand how to use all each of the feature here. So basically the thing is very simple here. Create a campaign, right? Okay, just give the campaign a name, just submit example, right? Okay, just for example, okay, for the sake of demo to you, create a money page, right? Then just choose filter by business. There's a 5 niches here: business opportunity, MMO, health and fitness, personal development, survival, relation. Just change any of these, then you can actually show up the template example for this one. You just choose and you create a script page, right? Okay, here is a script page, step 2 and step 3 next one. Then if you can lead you to the thank you page, just choose of the thank you page, right? Again, just search by this and you can actually search thank you page template example, this one. And here is the last one. Create your own thank you page and add your affiliate link also here. Okay, so you can add your affiliate link here using this, then all everything will be done. Okay, right, it's as easy as that. You can actually setting script page, right? Add all your thank you page, all thank you page, your script and phone, select your offer. And this is again, you can have an affiliate link here. So everything, just click the click money page. Then boom, then the whole funnel is done already. So once the funnel is done, you can actually also take a look into your funnel. All your funnel will be created here, and this is some other existing funnel. So what you can do is you can view. Okay, you can also money page date. You can also have a date. What are the date have been captured as part of the funnel, right? And also you can also have this what we call a squid page, thank you page. You can copy and share the page to any other traffic source. You can actually use this squid page, the link, and use my traffic sources. I have actually put together a lot of very valuable traffic method or traffic software, and use all this software, this my method to actually send traffic to all this link and start making sales. Okay, from the link one, or you can actually easily share this setting. Okay, there's traffic here. What you can do, okay, there's a traffic have been built up here. You can set up the traffic here also, Twitter, Instagram, and Focus and WordPress also, and you can automate the traffic. There's a lot of traffic have been method have been put together also, and you can have a traffic on demand, right? This you can just put your link here and just can share on all the social media. And also there's a traffic portion, my date. Okay, my date is where you can actually because all this money page they have the capture page, right? So when the date opt in, they can the lead will come to here also, right? Okay, it's either you keep the lead here, okay, or you can export it out. Okay, you can export the lead out. Using the export to Excel, it can log into autoresponder and start sending follow-up email to the lead. Okay, also my statistics also here, and also there's other things like other hot offer. Yeah, okay, choose the network. Okay, if you want to check what are the offer available from the CPA offer, click Bank Rider Plus, then you can actually use this small function here. So you can have a keyword, then do a search, and AR setup also, things like that. And this is to set up your autoresponder and how to actually integrate autoresponder to your lead capture page here. This all can be done easily using here, and there's some bonuses here, and this is some other upgrade here also, right? Okay, pretty cool, right? So all these bonuses can be downloadable from the this member area itself. Okay, so things like bonuses are giving to you: internet marketing, fast start, affiliate marketing secret, free 30 days to begin email list, ebook, and chatbot marketing mastery, building the perfect sales funnel. All these bonuses will be given to you as part of my bonuses also. So everything is only $17. There's a lot of value here in this offer together with my bonus bundle and tech fast section today. My bonus is only available for the first 30 lucky persons in tech fast section today. Definitely this bonuses is all going to take you to the next level of your business. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.